Hi, this is the Level 4 lesson for Unit 6, Lesson B, and this reading is about superstitions from different countries. After you have read it, fill out this chart with the superstitions that are good, that give good luck, those that are bad luck, and then continue the video when you're ready to check. These are the answers, and then when you're ready, we'll do the listening. So I'll play the listening once, but listen as many times as you need. The first step is to number the superstitions according to the conversation, and then you'll label whether it's lucky, you'll put an L, or unlucky, you'll put a U.
Page 56. Lesson B. Superstitions. 2. Speaking and listening. Lucky or not? B and C. Listen to 4 people talk about superstitions. 1.
Oh, a black cat. Well, there are many different ideas about black cats in different countries. I guess what most people believe is that if a black cat walks toward you or crosses your path, walks across in front of you, then something bad will happen. You'll have some kind of bad luck. So basically, black cats are unlucky, I guess.
2.
Superstitions about mirrors? The only one I know is if you break a mirror, you'll have 7 years of bad luck. These things often come in 7s, so you have to be careful when you're hanging up a mirror or cleaning or holding one, because if you drop it, you'll have bad luck for 7 years. You don't want that.
3.
A 4-leaf clover, yeah. Clover's a kind of plant, like grass, and it usually has 3 leaves on it. So if you find one with 4 leaves, it's supposed to be really lucky. I guess this is because they're so rare. You don't find many of them. I've never found one, though I've spent a lot of time looking. So, yeah, it's good luck to find a 4-leaf clover.
4.
A yellow butterfly? There are a lot of superstitions about butterflies, both yellow ones and white ones. In some countries, they think if you see a yellow butterfly, then your wish will come true. So it's lucky. I think all butterflies usually bring good luck. Another one I heard is that if you see a yellow butterfly in the spring, you'll get a lot of new clothes. Now, that would be nice.
So listen again if you need to, and then I'll show you the answer for part A. So these are the answers for part A, and then for part C, I'm sorry, so this is answers for A and B. For part C, write down the superstition. So listen again if you need to. You can write the superstition in your book or another paper. Then when you're ready to check, keep playing the video. These are the superstitions that the speakers talk about in the listening. And then on the next page is a conversation. So listen and follow along with this conversation.
Page 57. 3. Building language. A. Listen. Is Angie superstitious? How about Terry? Practice the conversation.
Gosh, this looks good. I'm so hungry.
So am I. Could you pass the salt?
Sure. Whoops. You know, it's supposed to be unlucky to spill salt.
It is? I didn't know that.
No, neither did I, until I read it on the internet.
Actually, I don't believe in all that superstitious stuff.
Oh, I do. Now I always throw a pinch of salt over my shoulder if I spill it. And I never put shoes on the table.
Well, neither do I. But that's because they're dirty.
And I always walk around a ladder, never under it.
Oh, so do I. But that's so nothing falls on my head.
This conversation uses the grammar point underneath about responses with so and neither. After you review this, you will choose the appropriate response for these statements. And then when you're ready, check your answer. These are the answers that you should have. And that's it for this lesson. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye-bye.